Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This one is one that I actually made before and I've kind of just revamped it a little bit. So anyway, and I took the listing off and obviously done extra things to it and moved stuff around. Anywho, it's got a new cover to what it did have. It's a brand new thingy on here. This is a double topper actually. We've got bead dangle here. And let me give you the measurements. So it is just shy of 8 inches by 4.5, and it's got 40 pages front and back. It will be listed over in my shop, so go check that out if you're interested, and it will have a discounted price for the first 24 hours. So yeah, that's the bead dangle. How cute is that? Excuse my hands, I've been inking and coffee dyeing and my fingers are a mess. In here we've got 2 tags. That image is a freebie over in my coffee shop. This one says little moments, big memories. That says remember. Obviously I know you can read. Make each day a story worth telling. That goes in there. We've got like floppy bows on there. It is stitched around the edge, and we've got eyelets and fabric as a closure. And let's go inside. These are a kit in my shop. I'll link it all below. My new kits. I've got 3 new kits out, and they're all vintage grungy lacy things, envelopes, pages. I've got landscape ones and portrait ones, so go check them out. Here we have this here, pockets there, some ARTYmaze ephemera. I'm going to pop her in here as well because I had a lot of stuff out. Yeah, ARTYmaze ephemera there. Pages have been printed on the back. We've got some lace trim here. They are a freebie in my shop as well, I think. And these images are from TaylorMadeJournals. Got a bunch of tags here, and these are from the old design shop. I think that's in my shop, and the tickets and tags, tiny tickets and tags, I think it's called, ARTYmaze. That's from that's the members kit in my shop. This is sliding about all over the place because it's a glass mat. Sticker here. This isn't mine. I don't know where that's from actually. Selection of tags here. Double pocket, these little tags. That's in my shop. I don't know if that's a freebie or it's part of a kit. I think that might be a freebie. I can't remember. From the members section. ARTYmaze, I love these. Love these tags. Little sticker, butterfly there. I've got some free butterflies in my shop, so go check them out. Got a little tag, not a little tag, little postcard in there. Butterfly kind of topper there. Sticker. This is the stamp isn't on these. I stamped that with the Tiffany & Co stamp. Excuse that, it's because I've had other stamps sitting on top of it and the black ink's come off. But that's the mounted one from is it San Francisco Stamp Company? Anywho, this is the envelopes. I've got 8 digital envelopes in a set in my shop. And this is just some coffee dyed paper. It's been stamped and inked for you to write down all your memories in. And that goes in there. That goes on there. And the paper clip on there. Again, one of my pages. Oh, we have this postcard. And then we have this tag. This image is TaylorMadeJournals. Sticker on here. In my shop as a freebie, ARTYmaze. That's from the Tag Galore kit. think that's what it's called, Tag Galore. Little topper there. And then in here we've got double pockets in the centre, little tags. I think they're either from the Tiny Tags or they're a freebie, one of the two. Sorry, I just can't remember. ARTYmaze. I don't know where they're from, to be honest. Can't remember. I've actually done quite a few videos today, so I'm kind of all talked out and remembering things. So the bead dangle in the middle. This is from like an old broken, like, what do you call that? Dress jewellery necklace. My aunt gave me that. Little flip out. Tag here. Little cluster on the top of that. Cluster here. And then this. Oh, it's just... Is that just 2 bits? Yeah. Journal on there. Pop that in here. Pom-pom trim. Another sticker. It's a freebie in my shop. I don't know where that's from. ARTYmaze. This is... Just thinking, is that... No, it's not. It's a digital music paper. I wasn't sure whether it was the real McCoy or not. Them images are just so pretty from TaylorMadeJournals. Little cluster here. Again, I don't know where that's from. That's from my member section. Oops. A little double pocket. Stickers. That's a freebie. We have a tag. And again, the images there are from TaylorMadeJournals. Everyone is linked below. I'll do that in a sec. Little cluster here. That opens out. Another little, it's like a tag cluster. Tag topper cluster. Some French ephemera from ARTYmaze. That actually split, so I just put some washi, just a tiny little nick it was there, and I put some washi on there to secure it. Actually looks quite nice on there. And in here we've got 2 little tags, and then again TaylorMadeJournals images. Can't remember what they're called. And a little cluster there, and that is the back. So that is the journal. If you have any questions, you can ask below. And this, like I said, this will be listed in my shop. You can go check that out. The link will be below. And I'll put the links to my new kits below as well. So, thank you for watching. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.